Hello guys, today we are going to be working with Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's head to Moodle. Okay, I'm already up there as you can see. We're going to click on Microsoft Excel Courtright's Sporting Goods Forum. Okay, so today we're going to format a spreadsheet, and we're also going to calculate some data, try to figure out total sales and the total income for Courtright Sporting Goods, see if they could last as a company and see how much money they made. Okay, let's do it. So you're going to click on instructions, okay, to listen to this video. Right. Then we'll go back to Moodle. And we're going to click on Courtright Sporting Goods Company, that Excel file there. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We have totals for each quarter. Okay, each quarter of the year for Courtright Sales Company. Okay, we have products, T-shirts, shoes, pants, accessories, equipment. Okay, and this is how much money we made in sales from each product. Okay, so what we need to figure out. What we need to do first is I want to reformat our products and put them and align them to the right. So first, let's click on our toolbox. Okay, I'm going to click on T-shirts, and then I want to make sure that white plus button is up. Okay, then I'm going to highlight all those products. Okay, make sure you're not highlighting sales, and then we're going to go to alignment and spacing. Okay, click on align text left. Yes. Okay, so got those aligned to the left. Let's click on sales. Okay, I want to align that to the center, so we don't need to highlight anything. Just doing that with sales. So I'll click on align center. Okay, there we go. All right, and we're gonna go back. We're gonna format and make this thing look presentable in a second. I just want to teach you guys how to crunch the numbers first. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so first, I want to figure out how much money we made each quarter. Okay, so let's write in here quarterly sales, right? Okay, let's click up here. You can make that box bigger. Okay, click, see those two arrows pop up. Click and move it this way and that way. Okay, just so our quarterly sales numbers fit there. Okay. All right, so in order to do that, we could hit equal and then select each one of them and each time hit add. Okay. Okay. That takes up too much time, and time is a very valuable thing in our world. Okay, we got a number there, and it's the right number. But to make life a lot easier on ourselves, I'm just going to hit equal. Type in sum, okay, now we're solving for the sum of the quarter here. Then I'm going to hit shift, create a parenthesis there. Now I'm going to click on that top number. Again, I'm making sure that that white plus button is up, and I'm going to click and drag it over all those cells. Okay, so now we have cells B7 through B11 all highlighted. Okay, so now I'm going to close that parenthesis, okay, and I'm going to hit equal. All right, now cool. Now I have my sales numbers for the first quarter. Excellent. Okay, so now to solve for the rest of the quarters, again, you continue to do that. Okay. Okay. Cool. But also to make life even easier on ourselves, you could click on that bottom cell, right? And then we're going to drag our mouse so we see that black plus button there, okay? I'm going to click and drag that over, okay? Boom, okay. Now, as you could see, the formula that's in there on top of that FX button there. Okay, so I'm just making sure we have the right cells in there, and we do. Okay, so now we have our quarterly sales for each quarter. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is highlight over quarterly sales and the sales numbers there. Actually, no, let's wait on that. Okay, let's get sales. Now we want to get our sales per product. How much did each product make for the whole year? Okay, so we're going to do that same thing. Okay, sum. All right, and then I will click and drag. Okay, the parentheses already closed, so I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, and now so we're not wasting time. We'll go down like this. I'm going to drag it down there. Okay, so now we have quarterly sales. We also have our total sales. Okay, our total sales number is right there. What I want you to do with that one, so we know that that's total sales for now. I want you to highlight. I want you to, yes. Let's highlight that. Okay, so let's go to color. Let's go to borders and shading. We'll go to color. Okay, let's just highlight that yellow. Cool, man. Okay, so now we know that that's total sales. We're going to put that down there and figure that out underneath in a second. Okay. Okay, so now from here, you see our information is kind of getting bunched up a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to move all this stuff, which is very easy. So I'm going to click on our total sales thing. Again, I'm going to make sure that our white plus button is up. Highlight over all those cells. Then I'm going to right click, hit cut. Okay, and I'm going to paste that a cell lower than the total sales. So I'm going to right click and hit paste. Okay. See how that moved everything down for me? Okay, yeah, a lot less messy. I like it. I'm a fan. Okay, so we want our total sales expenses here. So to get that, we want to add up our quarterly expenses, these four numbers. Okay, so we'll do our equals sum. Okay, and we'll highlight these numbers. I know you can't see that, but the E15's in there. Cool. All right. All right, so I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, so we're back. Now, from this point, we want to take quarterly sales and we actually want to move them down to that box where it says total sales. So, again, we're going to click on that number right there, our first quarterly sale. Make sure our white plus sign is out, and then right click, cut. I'm sorry, not cut. Oh. Okay, undo that. Okay, we just want to copy that because we could leave that other number still there. Okay, quarterly sales. Okay, so highlight, copy. Okay, then we'll right click here, paste. Oh, hold on, we actually do want to cut that. Oh, no worries though, no worries. So highlight. Cut. Paste. Okay, sweet. All right, now we have we can just delete that quarterly sales thing. That was more to help us. Okay, so this number again is the total sales of each quarter. Okay, these numbers over here are the total product sales for the year. Okay, so and highlighted there is our total product sales. Okay, sales for the whole year. That's an important number. That's why we highlighted it. Okay, so let's highlight, since that's our total sales for the year, this is our total expenses for the year. So we want to highlight this one as well. Okay, let's highlight this one red. Okay, so we know that we're subtracting it. Okay, sweet. All right, now we want to figure out total income. Okay, I'm just going to type total income, one cell down from expenses. Okay, and now to get total income, we're going to subtract sales from expenses. That's income. Okay, so hit equals. And then I'm going to click on our total sales number. Right? I'm going to hit subtract button. Okay, that's right next to the 0 and the number key. Okay. And then click on expenses. We got it. Okay, so there's our total income number. Okay, again, right here I'm going to get a total for the second quarter. Equal sign. Okay, click on that cell, the minus sign, and then I'll click on the cell underneath it, the expenses, and cool, man. Okay, so now going to save some time and energy. I'm just going to highlight, I'm going to click on this cell and I'm going to drag my mouse until I see the black plus sign. I'm going to click and drag. Okay, and that's going to give us our total income for the third, fourth quarter, and our total product income. Okay, so let's go ahead and highlight this one. Our important one, we'll highlight that yellow also so we know that's a positive number. Okay. Cool. Okay, so what I want to do here is from this point on I want to format our cells, make it look like a presentable spreadsheet. Okay, sound good? Excellent. Okay, so up here, let's just highlight from A5 over to F5, our quarters. I'm going to give it some bordering. Okay, so I'm going to click on borders and shading. Okay, under type, I'm going to click on that box where it looks like the whole outside border is outlined. Okay. All right, it's clean cut. I like it. Okay. All right, now for our sales, I want to bold this. So let's go to font. Okay, I'm going to click on the B. Let's make that maybe 12. Change that to font size 12. Okay, and then let's also underline that one. Cool. Okay, so from here I want to bold our products. Okay, so let's click on t-shirts, drag the plus button down, highlight it, hit the B. Okay. Okay, it's starting to look good now. I'm liking it. Okay, so that's looking good. Okay, so I want to highlight this last line too. Let's highlight our equipment line since that's our last line of product sales. Okay, I'm gonna go back into borders. Okay, and then I just want the border with the line underneath, bottom border. Okay, bottom border. Cool. Okay, now under here, let's do something a little different here. I want to highlight, let's highlight expenses. Okay, drag that out. Okay, we're still bordering here. Let's do top and double bottom border. Okay. Cool. Okay, so that shows us our total sales and expenses. Kind of makes it look like it's adding and subtracting there. Gives it a little bit more of a formatted feel. I like that. Okay, so all right, let's make our total sales numbers. Let's bold and italicize. Okay. Expenses, we're going to do the same thing. Bold, italic. Okay, guys, this is just the products, not the numbers we're doing here. So total income, also going to bold, highlight, and let's highlight this. Let's just do a double bottom border. Okay, boop. Cool, man. All right. So we just formatted our first Excel spreadsheet. Okay, we should be happy here. Okay, one last thing. Okay, I want to highlight all of our numbers. Okay, now they just look like regular numbers right now. We want to make them into $ currency. Okay, so I'm just going to click over that. All right. Then I'm going to right click. Okay. I'm going to go to Format Cells. All right. Now, okay, under the number column, we'll see there's a bunch of different things. There's number with a couple decimal places. You could do accounting, but I want to do currency. Okay. We're going to keep that 2 decimal places. Okay. Also, yeah, we're just going to leave that as is and hit OK. Okay. So now it looks like a real budget, a real expense report. All right. Thank you for doing the financials for Courtright Sports Company. Greatly appreciated. Let's go File. Ready to save this baby up. File. Save as. Okay. Let's just leave that Courtright Sports Company. Let's put our first initial, last name in front of it. Okay. Save it to your house. Okay. And then we will upload it on our Courtright Sports forum. Okay. Just the same as we uploaded our Word documents. Okay. Excel. Spreadsheet. The subject, put done in the message box. Okay. Under attachment, hit add. Choose file. Okay, and then we put that in our house. Okay, Courtright Sports Company, there it is. Okay, upload file, and we're golden. Okay. Best of luck. I know it's our first time in Excel, but I think we'll do great. Have a good one.